Hey everybody, it's Brad Killgore here with Custom Shops Marketing, and I'm really excited to share with you um, our latest achievement, and that is I put out our first book. And so our book here is basically called Double Your Custom Shops Customers, and it's Create Success with an Online Marketing System that Works. So you're going to want to check this book out because it gives you a ton of good information on what to do if you're looking at doing a lot of your marketing stuff for your shop, whether that's a motorcycle shop, a car repair shop, fabrication shop, performance shop, whatever type of shop you have. This is going to give you the fundamentals of how to do a lot of the marketing things that you could do on your own. Certainly, you could look into hiring an agency such as us to do a lot of this for you, but some people like to do things on their own. They like to know the nuts and bolts of how it works and that type of thing. So this thing's got 200 and some pages of good information. It's very straightforward. It's got some diagrams and photos and stuff as you go along, so that you can see, correlate kind of what the words are saying with pictures, so to speak. And it talks about all different things, whether it's how important certain things are on your website, how important things are for getting reviews on Google My Business or Google Maps. It talks about other things as far as some of the top keywords that you want to rank for. It goes on and on as far as just good quality content for you to know as far as it comes to marketing your shop. Because at the end of the day, you want to do effective marketing to bring more customers into your business. So take a look. It's on Amazon. You can just search it right on Amazon. Like I say, if you search custom shops marketing or double your custom shops customers in Amazon, it'll pull right up. So you can get either the print version, like I showed you a second ago, or you can get the Kindle version, and you can just do it on your device as well. So check it out. Hopefully it's helpful for you, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.